Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps from Lenovo Legion laptop. And to do this you will need to open your Start, then go for the settings, inside select apps, then go for the apps and features. On the bottom you have a list of all apps that are installed on your laptop, and if you click on any of them, or actually most of them, because some of them are not available to uninstall, so let's go for the one that I think we could actually remove. And this right here, we can click on these three dots and then select uninstall to remove this program from your PC. Now if you confirm it like that, you'll get to the setup, and each setup might be different, so I can show you exactly how to do that, but just follow the instructions on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.